Students, what can you see from this animation? There is a person who has fallen down and he is screaming, right? And what happens once we sleep or fall down? Have you experienced it? Many times we get cuts or bruises on our skin. And what do we do in these cases? That is what we are going to learn today. We are going to learn what are the first aids that we can give or we can take in case of minor cuts, burns and various other injuries. So today, while continuing the lesson safety first, which is chapter number 3, we are going to learn first aid in detail. And this is part number 3 and probably the last part of the lesson. Until now we have learned, especially in last session, we learned about safety at schools, safety on playground and in swimming pools, safety on road and first aid. In first aid we learned some meaning about first aid and some important things about first aid. But today we are going to learn first aid in detail. While starting, I would like to ask you what is first aid. Do you remember? First aid is the medical help given to an injured person or sick person before proper medical aid arrives. So what is first aid? First aid is the medical help given to an injured or a sick person before proper medical aid arrives. Medical aid means medical help. Immediate first aid can save a person's life or prevent permanent injury. This point we had discussed in earlier session also. A proper first aid can save a person's life. Let us move on to the next point. While giving first aid, be calm and make injured or a sick person comfortable. So first of all, you yourself should be calm and composed, and then you have to make injured and sick person comfortable by saying some positive things to him. Then you have to make injured or a sick person lie down like that shown in the picture. You have to make him lie down. And you should not panic after accident. You should not get scared after accident. Okay. Now, what are the common emergencies that need first aid? Let us see the list. So the first in the list is minor cuts. So minor cuts can happen during minor accidents or while playing. Many times children get these minor cuts while playing. Fainting can be the reason, insect bites, snake bites and burns. So these are the 5 things or 5 common emergencies that need first aid. Now let us see what is the first aid given in case of minor cuts. When do we get minor cuts? In some small accidents, when we fall down or when we slip while playing. These are the instances when we get minor cuts. In case of any minor cut, we should first wash the cut with pure clean water. Then apply antiseptic lotion over it. If there is a bleeding from the cut, apply bandage over it. Okay, I have shown this picture over here. So if there is bleeding, then you can apply a bandage. Dirt and flies should not be allowed to sit on the wood, okay, as it may cause infection. So you have to be very careful that this dirt should not settle on your injured part, and also you should not allow flies to sit on it. Let us learn the first aid given in case of minor cuts through pictures. So this is a minor cut. What do we do? After we get a minor cut, you have to wash your hands with the water. Okay, and then what we have to do? After washing hands properly, you have to apply antiseptic lotion or antibiotic lotion on the skin wherever there is injury. Okay, and finally you have to visit doctor for his consultation. Now let us see what if person faints. So if person faints, make him lie down with his head at a level lower than the body. Why the head should be lower than the body so that blood reaches his brain. This helps the blood to reach the brain faster. Allow fresh air around the person. Loosen his clothes and sprinkle cold water on his forehead. Let the person rest quietly. So once the person faints, you have to take these measures to make him comfortable and so that he gets well soon. Okay, and then final thing is again send him to doctor. You have to consult doctor always in such cases because reason can be anything. You can never tell the reason. So this is the only, this medical treatment is only first aid. Okay, it is the first medical help, but final decision rests on doctor. Whatever doctor says, you have to follow after that. Okay, until now we have seen what is the first aid given in case of minor cuts and what is the first aid given if person faints. Now we are going to see if bitten by an insect. So what is the first aid given if he is bitten by an insect? Remember, insect bites or stings are very painful. If bitten by an insect like bee or wasp, apply a paste of baking soda and cold cream on the affected part to get relief. Okay, once you apply this, you will get a relief. Then put some ice on the affected part so that that pain is relieved. Okay, so these are few things that you can do if a bee or a wasp or such insect bites you. Finally, we have arrived on our last topic, the first aid given in case of burns. If burn is minor, wash the burnt area with a cold running water. Put an ice pack on the burnt area. Then apply an antiseptic cream on the affected area. Finally, it is always better to be prepared for an emergency and to know how to give first aid. So you have to be ready because emergency can arise anytime and you have to be always ready with your first aid kit. And even more important than first aid is you have to follow rules and regulations. We have already discussed them. So it is best to remember and follow safety rules and regulation to avoid any accident. Okay. And finally, it always remember that prevention is better than cure. This is a famous proverb and this applies in this situation also. Prevention is better than cure. You have to avoid getting into accident by following safety rules and regulation. Okay, because it is always better than cure. Well, that was all for today. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask. You can put your questions, you can put your doubts in the comment box. See you in next session. Until then, take care. Bye bye.